I'm Rajesh Avasthi, and I'm Director Telecom and Cloud Services at NetApp India. Today I'm going to talk about some of the solutions that we bring in from our side for our customers and partners, which is the telecom and service providers. NetApp is a storage and data management company where we today are close to $6.3 billion storage and data management company, and we work in various verticals. One of the verticals which is very pertinent for telecom, for NetApp, is telecom. We work with some of the large telecom operators in their B2B and B2C arenas. From a NetApp perspective, we work with the telecom operators in helping their newer services which they are creating. We work with them in two areas. One of the area is where we work with them in B2C market, where we work with the vast service providers who are delivering some of the value-added services to these telecom operators, which are delivered to the consumers at the end. We work with these vast service providers in creating a solution which is addressing the customer requirements, as well as also helping them in reducing the data center storage footprint which is there. So that is one of the areas that we work with the telecom operators. The other area where we are working with the telecom operators is where we are working with their enterprise teams. And this is the B2B focus which the telecom operators are working in today. And they are moving up the value chain in India. When you talk about B2B or the enterprise services space, the telecom operators started with the traditional network services which they were delivering in form of the bandwidth IPLCs or the lease lines which they were delivering, along with the managed network services where they were managing the CPE equipment or the customer premises equipment as well. Over a period of time, we've seen the enterprise customers are migrating towards the services based option of buying technologies. That means they are looking at different ways of getting technology to deliver their CIO or business requirements which are there. Earlier they were buying IT equipment and business applications on that in form of CapEx based solutions. However, today those enterprise customers or mid-market or SME customers are looking at alternatives where they can focus on their core line of business and look at getting the technologies which would help them grow their business in form of IT services, which could come from the operators who have been giving them traditionally the network services. So that is some area where some of the large telecom operators are working in creating data center services. Within the data center services, they have been traditionally doing co-location services for some time now, but they've seen that this is something which is becoming commodity, and this is where they need to grow their business and they need to move up the value chain, where they bring in services similar to managed hosting services or public cloud services for their end customers. And that is where NetApp as an organization works with these telecom operators in creating differentiated services on NetApp features. And basis those services, what SLAs the telecom operators can sign with their end customer is where NetApp as an organization brings in value. As a storage and a data management space. We've seen over a period of time there has been exponential growth in the data, both in the structured data as well as unstructured data. NetApp as an organization helps some of the large enterprise and mid-market customers in reducing their storage footprint to store more data in less storage, which is what we call as the storage efficiency coming in from our side. So we help some of that storage efficiency features to be created as a service with the telecom service providers and deliver it as a service level agreement which they can sign with their end customers. So that is one of the areas that we are working very closely with the telecom service providers. The other area that we are working with the telecom operators is we've seen that one of the challenges that these telecom operators have is that they've been traditionally selling the network side of business to network people within the CIO's team. They have grown their forces to cater to the data center requirement, but traditionally the CIOs and the IT teams within the enterprise customers are much more comfortable working with the telecom service providers in the networking side. On the IT side, they prefer working with the system integrator or a value-added reseller through whom they have been buying technology. So NetApp as an organization, we've expanded our partnership with these service providers and started working with our value-added resellers to sell some of these services to the end customers, so that from an end customer standpoint of view, their point of contact remains the same person through whom they have been buying the equipment in a CapEx format. Today, the same person through whom they were buying or they were comfortable with now will also come with the OpEx based option through these telecom service providers. So here what we are talking of essentially is NetApp as an organization gives this option to the end customers. If they are looking for a CapEx based solution, they can buy it from the VAR service providers or the system integrators that they've been buying through. If they are looking at an OpEx based model, they can still get those services from the same set of VARs or system integrators, but in the end these services are being delivered by the telecom operators which are getting into data center business areas, which is there. So that is another area that we've seen is a growth area for these telecom operators. They've seen that the stickiness with the end customer increases if their data center also gets hosted within their own environment. That means what I'm saying is if they are selling only the network services, they are still an infrastructure player, and at the end of the period the enterprise customer can still move to another operator to get the bandwidth in case they are looking for that option. For the telecom operators, if they move up the value chain and they are delivering infrastructure as a service as form of data center services, they bring in that stickiness because now the critical data or the business application for the end customer is also running with the telecom operator, and they are bringing in value to the end customer. And that's how basically they are able to grow their business, because with that data center business, the network business, which was traditionally where they were fighting with the other guys, becomes a subset of the data center business, because once the data is there within the data center of the telecom operators, the network obviously would be the choice which would come in from that operator. So that's something, a growth area which most of the telecom operators are looking at and are trying to get into. Over a period of time, we have seen customers, their requirements are changing, and today if you look at it within the data center, their requirement has grown not only to set up an infrastructure but also scale according to the business requirements which they have. And these telecom operators, because of the volumes that they have and economies of scale, they are able to deliver that scalability, that agility at a much cheaper total cost of ownership, I would say. And that's the benefit that end customers get when they go and take these services from these telecom operators. Within NetApp, we have a joint go-to-market model with these telecom operators where we work with them in their selling process to the end customer. That means we sell with them their services to the end customer. So essentially, if I have to articulate what we do as a storage and data management company, we work with them in creating differentiated services using some of our storage efficiency features as well as agility features that we bring in with our clustered data ONTAP. Once we have created those services, we help these service providers to sell those services in the market space to meet some of the enterprise requirements or the mid-market or SME customer requirements. And that's what we are doing as an organization within India. In India, if you look at it, we've been there for past 13 years and our business has grown. We've done business in almost all the verticals that you can think of in India, and we are catering to their customer requirements. With this new additional approach where we are working with the telecom operators, we are giving an option to the end customers that they can get our technology as a service and can convert a CapEx requirement into an OpEx requirement. So that's something which we are working with in the Indian market space. Thank you.